Dumating sa Sandigan Bayan ang kampo ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada bandang alas 4 ng hapon para sa paghain ng piyansa matapos magpalabas ng warrant of arrest ang 2nd Division kaugnay ng kanyang kasong graft. 90,000 pesos ang itinakdang halaga ng piyansa. Kasama sa warrant ang kapwa akusado ng senador na si dating DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Posible ring maglabas anumang oras ang Sandigan Bayan 5th Division ng arrest order kaugnay naman ng plunder case at isa pang kasong graft laban sa senador. Matatandaan na nitong araw ng Huwebes ay nagsampa ang Office of Ombudsman ng plunder at graft cases laban kina Estrada, Bonoan at iba pang opisyal ng DPWH dahil sa umano'y illegal na budget insertion at allocation ng mga flood control projects.
Sen, any reaction po? Sen, reaction na lang ano pa?
Daan lang po ma'am.
Nagkaroon naman ng tensyon sa Sandigan Bayan matapos may ilang nasagtan dahil sa pagkakagitan sa pagpasok ng senador. Ayon sa legal counsel ni Estrada na si Atty. Noel Austria, required na personal na humarap sa korte ang senador bago makapaghain ng piyansa. Sadyang malungkot kami. Yan naman ang naging pahayag ng kampo ni Senador Estrada matapos nga ang pagpapalabas ng Sandigan Bayan ng warrant of arrest. Paliwanag ni Atty. Noel Austria, hindi na aksyon ng 2nd Division ang kanilang musyon na huwag munang maglabas ng arrest order. Git din ang abogado, hindi umano sila nabigyan ng kopya ng DOJ resolution na pinagbatayan ng Office of Ombudsman para sa pagsasampa ng mga kaso.
Kasi nga, dahil wala nga kaming nalalaman, we have not received a copy of the DOJ resolution charging him with crimes, namely anti-graft, 2 counts, and 1 count of plunder. So how are we expected to file a proper motion when we don't even know what the basis for the filing of these charges is? In any case, we will bow to the supremacy of the Sandigan Bayan.
Sir, reaction lang po. Sir, reaction. This is your third plunder case, sir. Sir, reaction. This is your third plunder case, sir. Dito wala nang ano. Uy, bakit? Ditong benefit sa 2nd division, ba't nandito? Teka.
Sir, daan lang.
Hawak. Wala magtutulagan.
Sen, any reaction po?
Daan lang po, ma'am. Daan lang po, ma'am.
Yeah, eh. So there are all sorts of allegations. If you remember the personalities that were interviewed before Congress, so there would be one hearing where may sasabihin sila, medyo parang naiipit si Senador. But at another hearing, it will be shown that they either haven't talked to the Senator or they don't actually communicate with the Senator. So hindi rin nga namin alam kung ano ba talaga ang nagay as of now. So that's why we would like to study the law. Good afternoon, everyone. So it's my parang sad duty to inform everyone that our urgent motion to withdraw the issuance of a warrant of arrest has not yet been given due course, and that an order has been issued for the issuance of a warrant of arrest against Senator Jinggoy Estrada. We kind of understand that what we filed was extraordinary. But we hope that the justices of the Sandigan Bayan will understand that we, through our client, have not received a copy of the Ombudsman resolution charging him with crimes. We have not received a copy of the DOJ resolution charging him with crimes, namely anti-graft, 2 counts, and 1 count of plunder. So how are we expected to file a proper motion when we don't even know what the basis for the filing of these charges is? In any case, we will bow to the supremacy of the Sandigan Bayan, and Senator Jinggoy will submit himself for bail.
Sir, ano mangyayari kung on the same day maglabas ng warrant ang 5th Division handling the plunder case?
We'll just have to address that when it happens, because
No, but if it's with same day, sir. If today.
yun nga eh. That's something we'll just have to cross when when it happens.
Pero attorney, nasan po ngayon si Senator Jay?
I don't have that information. Oo.
Yung pagpunta
Pero
po,
required po
yung
siyang
pagpunta po
dumarating
ninyo.
ngayon.
Kasi normally for when you're asking for a bail hearing, you're required to surrender kasi. So mapipilitan talaga si Senator Jinggoy na magpakita. We're just hoping that we can do it in a way that's medyo dignified. Pasensya na kayo. We understand na mapangailangan naman kayo to report the news. Pero at the same time, we don't want to expose him kasi nga, as we've already explained, hindi namin naiintindihan kung bakit na-filean siya.
But attorney, you were saying kanina na parang you have an appeal to the 5th Division na parang sana naman hindi same day.
We actually appeal to all of the divisions. We appeal to the 2nd Division, we appeal to the 5th Division. But hindi na namin alam. All we can say as of now is that the order that issued against Senator Jinggoy made no mention of our urgent motion. So maybe there's still a chance that they'll take cognizance of the
Kailan sir nyo
motion.
final yung urgent motion?
Just this morning, bago mag-lunch.
So withdraw sir yung pag-i-issue ng
Wag muna, oo. Kasi nga, dahil wala nga kaming nalalaman tungkol dun sa pag-issue ng mga paratang lamang kay Senator Jinggoy, ay ang hirap namang sagutin, di ba?
Pero
Kung
kumusta po
nag-file
ngayon
po
si
kayo ng urgent motion kanina, anong purpose ng pagpunta po ninyo ngayong oras na ito dito, attorney?
Ayun, so nalaman na nga namin na there's been an order for the issuance of a warrant of arrest. So we informed si Senator, and then we were informed that he would already submit himself for a bail for a bail hearing.
Kamusta siya?
I don't have that information also.
So physically, attorney, so physically,
Hintayin niya po yung implementation of the warrant. Will he surrender or...
No, he'll come to the court. Oh,
so
he'll come
physically
to the
pupunta
court.
po siya ngayon dito?
Oo. He'll be here.
Pero
I'll be here.
sir, na-mention din po ni SILG na may problema po siya sa tuhod. Ano po ba yung mangyayari doon, sir? Will you be filing a motion for that?
Well, unfortunately, there's nothing in the court procedures that allows us to excuse him from attending personally because of a physical injury. So,
Pero kailan ba, sir, nangyari tong injury niya sa tuhod?
I don't have that information also. I'm sorry. Oo.
Sir, yung urgent motion to stop
Yes, oo.
Filed on 5th and 2nd.
Yes, filed before both divisions. Early this morning. Yeah.
Pero wala pa po kayo
Before
alam
lunch.
na may warrant na from activation. Wala pa.
Wala pa kaming balita about the 5th
If he does
division.
surrender, isn't he supposed to surrender po sa law enforcers, not po sa court? Or
No,
pwedeng
because
sa
the court is the one issuing the order for the warrant of arrest. He can surrender himself directly to the court. Because the idea is the enforcement of the warrant of arrest is simply following the orders of the court. So there's no problem.
Bilang abogado, attorney, anong reaction ninyo? Ano ang pakiramdam ninyo? Anong nasa isip ninyo?
Malungkot lang kami pero
Kapapile lang ninyo yung urgent motion. Pero
yes, malungkot
may
kami.
warrant.
May malungkot kami, but we're hoping that maybe the justices will still pay attention to our motion.
Thank you, Attorney.
Thank you, attorney.
Thank you.
Attorney Noel.
Thank you.
Ano?
Ay, Sen! Ano reaction ko? Sen! Sen, reaction na lang. Ano ba?
Saan lang po, ma'am? Saan lang po, ma'am?
Layo lang, huwag kasi magpagaway.